Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and here we are. Moment 3 has arrived, but with a catch. You'll see why. So in this bug fixing update, we have Moment 3 that's rolling out today for Windows 11 22H2. And you can maybe see one of the features that I've enabled. Look at that. I got seconds in my clock. Yes, it is one of the features of Moment 3. So basically, if you go and check out your Windows, because it's an optional update, go to Windows Update and check for updates, you will see that you will actually have something called Cumulative Update Preview, and it's KB5026446. Also today there's a .NET Framework update. There's one for Windows 10 and for Windows 11. So this is the preview update for the month, and it actually has Moment 3 in it. Now you might actually install this and say, hey, I don't see a thing. Why is it that I don't have the features, including the seconds on the clock? Well, they'll be enabled officially with the Patch Tuesday on June 13th. But if you don't see them, if you don't see the options to give you all of the new features, what you need to do is in Windows Update, you got to turn on get the latest updates as soon as they're available. What this does is it actually enables the features. So once that is done, you could check for update, and it's going to actually show you something that's going to say something like system settings update or something like that. And it's going to ask you to restart. Once you restart, the features should be enabled on your Windows 11 22H2. So that's the way it is if you want to have the latest features and don't see them. You'll have to turn on the get the latest update as soon as they're available. So lots of little features, including here you see the seconds on the clock, but we're going to actually have some videos showing other features that Moment 3 has in there. Of course, it also comes with a list of bug fixes. It fixes a few things, including Wi-Fi printers and all sorts of things that were also a problem in Windows 11 21H2. And so it's the bug fixing update at the same time. You don't download this. You don't go and check it out. Like I said, it will be installed with Patch Tuesday on June 13th. And that's when they apparently will actually really push to turn on all the features that we will have videos about here on the channel. Now we're going to check some of those features. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. And by the way, if you are checking the Windows version with the WinVer, you should be at Windows 11 22H2 at build 22621.1778 on your Windows 11 22H2. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.